Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp on your computer. There are basically two ways to do that. The first option is that you come and type WhatsApp for PC, then you click here and download the app. When you click here, you see when you download, you just install it like the way you install any other app. Then the second option is that you come and type WhatsApp web. Then when you come and click this one, then it will ask you that you see the QR code and you'll be asked to connect your QR code to the from your phone to the WhatsApp. So to the WhatsApp on the computer. So you just open your WhatsApp, go to the three dot at the top right-hand corner, click on it. Then you will see link other devices. So when you click on link device, then it will allow you to scan the QR code on your computer, and then you'll be connected. You can now log in to your WhatsApp. So as you can see, I've logged in on WhatsApp web. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video.